Pilgrim MotorSports, Muscle Cars UK. Got an AK Cobra here, which is something quite special. It's got a huge engine in it, it's got a Dick Knight racing engine in it, but let's have a quick look at it around as we go. Beautiful colour, I'm not sure what the colour is called, I think it's Estral Blue, but I'm not 100%, maybe you know better than I. But have a look at these beautiful wheels, split rim wheels, and this is a work of art. This exhaust pipe is 4-into-1 exhaust, down both sides with the carbon fibre as well. But just look at the way that's been handmade, beautifully made. I must admit, it looks stunning when you look at the side of the car, and you will hear the noise a bit later and it sounds magnificent. But again, coming through, got the chrome wheel up defenders, also got this beautiful Le Mans petrol cap mounted on the side, which is very attractive. And have a look at this fabulous wheel, the depth of this wheel. If I put my hand there, you can see how big it really is. And it's got huge tyres on the back, but a real stunning looking car. We've obviously got the Le Mans stripe on it, so you've got the blue with the silver, which is really stunning. And then the interior has got a great grey leather, piped in blue interior. So you can see here, grey leather, piped in blue, racing blue, Williams seat belts, again leather, back panel, carpeted all the way through, the dashboard's done beautifully. Really is a stunning car. All the way around, the chrome's all perfect. It's done 5,000 miles, that's all she's done. And since it was built, but it really has been built in a really well, and it's a Cobra that anyone buys is going to fully enjoy. But let's have a look underneath the bonnet and we can see what's going on under there. Have a look at the way this has been finished. Stainless steel everywhere, beautiful. It's a Dick Knight race engine that's been put in here, very well known for his American engines, and he's done a beautiful job of this. The interior parts of the engine I can describe to you, but it will take too long, so if you could look at the spec sheet underneath the video and advert, you'll see what it's had done to it. But it really has a high powered engine. It's stroked to 383, and as you can see here, 383. Someone's gone to the trouble of actually putting it, embossing it in stainless steel. But you can see again in here the chassis, all the beautiful chassis, the way it's been painted, not only underneath but on the top. It's all the inner wings have been done in stainless steel. It really is top car. MSD ignition and coil, just to give you that extra oomph. Beautiful little reservoirs here, all done in stainless steel. You've got the big name going down the side there, Chevrolet. You know exactly what it's all about. Please notice that a lot of the pipe work has been all done in stainless, whereas that would normally be rubber hosing. It really has. This is a top build, very powerful. Do not think this is just a normal Cobra. This is a very powerful car. If you're looking for a Cobra and you want one of the real top powerful editions, this is it. It's not for the faint-hearted, this car, I can assure you. It's if you want to go to the Le Mans Classic and go down in something, they might invite you to race in this one. It's that good. Come down and have a look at it. Take it for a drive, I dare you. Hi guys, back underneath here. Don't often show you underneath Cobras, to be truthful, but this one is exceptional. The guy who built this has really gone to the nth degree to make sure he had something really special to show his friends and family. Sorry, you might be able to hear the Mustangs outside. There's always V8 noise going on here. It's great, but when you're trying to video, it does make it a bit difficult. But let me show you underneath here. As I said, it really is superb. The job that this guy has done literally has painted all the chassis, all the tubular wishbones, etc. He's taken everything off and painted it the same quality and finish as the bodywork on top. I mean, you've got all sort of adjustable suspension here. You've got the huge brakes, because as you will see or have seen, this car is a flying machine, and as a result you've got to be able to stop it. So huge brakes on the front, great setup. Even where people would normally put rubber hoses on, these stainless steel pipes, it really is beautiful. As you can see, huge gearbox, had to be a big gearbox, bespoke gearbox, because it's such a powerful car, and it needs to have something that's bulky enough to handle it. But look at the floor panels. The floor panels are absolutely beautiful. In fairness, I can only blame myself because I took it out for a run and I've made it dirty. So I've given it a quick clean, but it really, if you spent some time and polished it up, it would look stunning. You can see some of the exhaust here as well. You know, it's all bespoke, all handmade. You've seen it on the outside, and you can just see how it's all finished underneath. Again, apologies for the little bit of mud and dirt under it. But if you come back through the car, you know, you can literally see all the way through. The floor panels, everything has been done beautifully. Really is stunning underneath here. Everything stainless steel that could be, limited slip diff in here, independent rear suspension, billet hub carriers. This car has got the lot. I mean, it is one of those cars that with a little bit of work, you could take to a show, put the glass underneath so everyone can see what it looks like underneath. But this really is stunning. Stainless steel petrol tank. I can go on, but I will bore you to death. Come and have a look at it, look underneath and see for yourself. It really is something special, this car.
This AK Cobra is an amazing car. The build quality is fantastic. It's running a 383 Chevrolet engine built by AE08EZN Racing Services. And Peter, if you don't know him, is a fantastic engine builder. If you watch Goodwood and see the Cobras and Galaxies racing there, usually the cars at the front have got one of Peter's engines in. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, we're talking in this car in excess of 500 brake horsepower. It really is a spectacular vehicle, not for the faint-hearted.